watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Dear Krisa,
Pay attention to sound,
hello Krisa.
one that's coming from your mouth.
I am a big fan of yours.
Turn it upside down. I really wanna hear you out.
Wait a minute. Why some letters are missing? Okay, bye.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
Finally.
Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a date. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all our notes. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise a toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Might be the gin that's gone to my head. Gone to my head. Feeling so busy, don't want this to end. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all our emotions. Let's forget that we broke. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things.
Dear Krisa,